Good morning students of class 7. Welcome to the second part on Unit 5 Acid, Base and Salt. In this part we will study about acid rain and neutralization. Acid rain. When the rainwater has increased amount of acids in it, it is called acid rain. The acid rain is formed because of the presence of air pollutants such as nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide in the air. These pollutants mix with the rainwater and forms acids such as nitric acid, sulfuric acid and carbonic acid respectively. The acid rain is mainly affect the vegetation, animal life and even the buildings of the region where it falls. So we can define acid rain as rainfall, the rainfall that occurs when the amount of acid is more and it causes the atmospheric pollution that it harms environment and mostly the forest and the lakes. Next is neutralization. Acids and bases are chemically opposite substances. So when acid is mixed with base, they neutralize or cancel each other. When an acid solution and base solution are mixed in suitable amounts, both of acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of base are destroyed. The resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. So the reaction between acid and base is called neutralization. In the process of neutralization, salt and water are produced with the evolution of heat. Salt produced in this reaction, it may be either acidic, basic or it may be neutral in nature. The evolved heat raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. So whenever the acid reacts with base, it produces salt and water with the evolution of heat. Example, whenever the hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, it produces sodium chloride, salt and water with the evolution of heat. It is shown in the figure. The product that is formed after the neutralization process is called salt. The salt can have either acidic, basic or neutral nature. A synthetic indicator often used for testing neutralization process is phenolphthalein solution. It is pink in color. When an acid is added to a phenolphthalein solution, the solution turns colorless, indicating the presence of acid. When a base is added to the phenolphthalein solution, the solution remains in pink color, indicating the presence of base. Neutralization in everyday life. The neutralization reactions involving acids and bases play an important role in our everyday life. The treatment of end-stain, remedy of indigestion, soil treatment and the treatment of factory waste, all that includes the neutralization reaction. First is indigestion, when we are using the neutralization in our everyday life. Indigestion. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid helps in digestion of our food. Sometimes excess of hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach which can cause indigestion. Due to the indigestion, sometimes a person may feel pain in the stomach and irritation. To reveal the indigestion, we can take antacid such as milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia contains some amount of base called magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium hydroxide neutralizes the excess acid that is present in the stomach and can cure the indigestion in the stomach. Next is ant bite. When an ant bites, it injects an acidic liquid into the skin of the person and it causes the burning pain. The sting of ant contains an acid called formic acid. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing a mild base like baking soda solution, sodium hydrogen carbonate or calamine solution. Calamine solution contains a base called zinc carbonate. Thus, being a base, baking soda solution or calamine solution neutralizes the excess liquid injected by the ant and cancels its effect. Third is soil treatment. The soil, it may be either acidic or basic or neutral. The plants do not grow well if the soil at a place is either too acidic or too basic. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. So when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide or slake lime, calcium hydroxide. This basis neutralizes the excess acid present in the soil and reduces its acidic nature. If the soil is basic, organic matter called manure or compost is added to it. The organic matter releases acid which neutralizes the excess bases present in the soil and reduces its basic nature. Next is factory wastes. The waste substance discharged by many factories contain acids. If this factory waste are allowed to flow into the water bodies like rivers, ponds, seas, lakes, etc., then the acid present in them will kill the fish and other organisms that live in the water bodies. The factory wastes are therefore neutralized first of all by adding the basic substance and then they are discharged into the water bodies. Thus we use the neutralization in many ways. Read this topic from textbook.